Ciao a tutti amici di Dawa Italia e
Hello
benvenuti.
friends of Dawa and welcome. Today we'll be talking about our IP video door phone systems. I'll start by saying that we can meet all possible needs you may have, starting with simple household solutions with a single doorbell on, up to complex intercom systems for apartment buildings. I should also point out that we have a whole line of two-wire systems too that make it possible to keep using existing analog intercom systems and integrate them with the IP network.
Cosa abbiamo oggi per la nostra prova?
So what do we have for our test today? A VTO, which is an outdoor station, the indoor station, which we will be setting up inside the home, the connection switch that both transmits the data and powers all the devices.
A tutti I dispositivi. Trasferiamoci quindi
Now
al PC.
let's go to the PC and access the Toolbox, the suite of Dawa programs that includes a series of tools to configure our products. In this specific case, I'll launch VDP config. As you can see by scanning the network, I can identify the products physically connected to our LAN. Now let's go to the page where we can actually manage our outdoor station. I just need to type its IP address into an ordinary web browser to load its web manager and check all its base settings.
Posso regolare la lingua.
I can select the language or the brightness sensor. If I go to the Date and Time tab, I can automatically synchronize the time with that of the PC.
Andiamo quindi a configurare il nostro posto
Now
interno.
we'll set up our indoor station. When we select Setup Project, we're asked for an admin password. Then we go to the Network section where we can find our VTO automatically loaded. If we want, we can even rename it. So now that we're done with setup, we can do a quick test of our intercom.
Bene, ora che la
Great!
configurazione
Now that the setup is complete and our test call has succeeded, we can also add a second VTO. The only thing we need to be careful of is to give it a different IP address from the VTO already on the network.
Andiamo quindi ora a configurare.
Now we'll see how to set up remote calls. First of all, we need to flag the checkbox in the P2P section. If you haven't already, download our app on your mobile phone. Open the app and add a new device. Then scan the QR code found inside the web manager. Done! Now our device has been added and it's ready to call us. Hey, ciao! Oh, it's you. I can't let you in though. Maybe next time, okay? Sorry for the interruption, friends. We're done anyway, so see you again for the next video.
Mando al prossimo video.